In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Basecamp. Whether you're managing multiple projects or setting up a consistent workflow, creating a template can save you time and ensure uniformity. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to set this up effectively. First things first, begin by opening the project that you wish to transform into a template. This step is crucial because you'll be using this project as the foundation for your template. It's important to be sure that this project contains all the elements you commonly use so your template is as comprehensive as possible. Once you have your project open, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Options menu, represented by three little dots, commonly referred to as the ellipsis. Click on this Options menu to reveal a drop-down list, and from there, select Save as a Project Template. This selection sets the stage for your project's transformation into a reusable template. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to provide a name for your new template. This step is straightforward, but make sure that the name you choose is descriptive enough for easy recognition later on. If you find it helpful, you can also add an optional description. This area is perfect for noting any specific details about what the template covers or how it should be used, which can be incredibly handy as a reference point. Now, it's time to delve into the details. Basecamp will present you with options about what you'd like to include in your template. By default, all elements such as messages, to-dos, files, docs, and card tables are included. These are typically the building blocks of most projects, so including them ensures your template remains functional and versatile. However, note that the chat history is not included in the template. This is intentional, as chat conversations often contain specific details relevant only to the original project. This keeps your new projects clean and focused on their own objectives. At this stage, you'll also have the option to decide if you want to carry over existing assignments and comments. Additionally, you can choose whether to retain client visibility settings, depending on your needs and security preferences. An important aspect to remember is how due dates and events are handled. Once your project is saved as a template, these dates will be set relative to the new project's start date whenever this template is used. This functionality keeps everything aligned and timely without you having to manually adjust dates each time you set up a new project. Finally, once you're satisfied with all these settings, click Create Template. This step finalizes the process, solidifying your selections into a ready-to-use template. Now, you're equipped to efficiently replicate this project framework whenever you need, ensuring consistency and saving you valuable time in project setup.